the shades Bloom, Twig, and Slate. Oops. So I go in with Twig and Slate first, and then to get that orange shade on the very top, I go ahead and I go in with my M433 brush. So the first thing that I'm gonna do with Twig is I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just pack it on top. And I know you guys see that I did not go in with any more concealer right here. And that's because, again, it's a very nude, neutral look that I'm going for. So I'm not going crazy with anything. So I just go ahead and I pack that on, like right in this area here. Right, like where my crease starts. And I'm doing the same thing for on this side. I know it looks like I'm going in pretty heavy, but I promise you I'm not. I'm not going as heavy as I could. This is just to kind of get the shade in there for it to really show up. So don't worry, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna blend this out in a second. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the same, I'll keep on forgetting the number, M433 brush, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with Bloom, and this is what I'm gonna use to blend out Twig, which is this color that I put in the middle, okay? So I'm gonna go in with Birch at the very top. I'm not going all the way to my eyebrows, guys. That's a no-no. This is just to kind of soften up Twig a little bit. Bring that brown shade on top. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take a clean brush, our M441 brush from Morphe. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get it blended. I'm not putting any product on it or anything like that. I'm just going in with the brush, the clean brush, okay? Because now we're just making sure this is blended in with the concealer. And then I'm gonna go in with that now dirty M433 brush. I'm gonna go in with Birch again, because this is gonna start to clean up that little space that you see right there. So now that I'm done adding those two shades, I'm gonna go in with that orange shade to the middle of my eyes. Now, a lot of times, because I just like wearing like different looks and stuff like that, I'll probably go in with like a different color to my lids, but for the most part, I kind of use the orange shade and I kind of blend it out. So it's not as like pigmented as you see. I soften it up, which is what you're gonna see me do in a second, just because I'm not trying to go for a crazy look, but I am trying to go for like a pop of color in my lids. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my M433 Morphe brush again, and this is what really makes like nude looks. Kind of get like, it's like a blend of colors that all support each other type of thing, if that makes sense. So you see how I just softened that up so much. I'm gonna go in with some more of Twig, just a little bit, not a lot, and kind of get it tapped onto the corner. So a basic face.
So I did skip ahead and just got some eyelashes added. I went ahead and added some eyeliner as well as a little bit of mascara. If you guys want a detailed tutorial on my eyebrows as well as pretty much how I put on eyelashes, let me know.
I already moisturized my face and primed my face off camera. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the foundation added. I don't really have like dark spots and stuff like that. However, your concealer works a whole lot better when you put a base underneath it. So what I like to do, because I have a little melanin in my skin, and even here I can see my little dark spots and so forth, I go ahead and I go in with some of the HD Pro Conceal orange concealer, okay, just so it can correct anything that is not supposed to be there, like these bags, child, like these bags ain't supposed to be there, okay. So yeah, I just go ahead and I go in with that to kind of get it corrected. I'm gonna go ahead and just take this big foundation brush that I have here, and I'm gonna just go ahead and spread that out. Today I am going to be using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation, okay. This is the love of my life right here. So yeah, we gonna take some of this, and I'm gonna take that same old foundation brush. So let's go. My Real Techniques buffing brush. And I'm just gonna start getting the foundation buffed into my skin. That all covered up. The HD concealer from Nickak New York. In the shade Chestnut. contour palette. And I'm going to go in with Crown. And it literally smells like chocolate, guys. This is so cool. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the remainder from my beauty blender that still has the Airspun powder, and I'm just gonna go in under the line that I made. Okay, maybe I need some more. And then I'm gonna take my foundation brush and I'm just gonna start getting it all cleaned up. The foundation brush is what blends it in some more. So next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of my NYX or NYX Professional Makeup matte finishing spray. And I'm gonna go ahead and just spray my face just a little bit, just mist over it just a little bit. Okay, y'all. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get this rubbed off. It definitely should be set in by now. I'm gonna go over it with my Fenty Beauty. Okay, I got Chic, Freak, and Girl Next Door. Mad old, but it's okay. I'm gonna alternate between the both of them. And next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get some eyeliner. Some lip liner on. This is actually eyeliner. I do not use it as eyeliner. I use it as a lip liner. So next I'm gonna go in with this lip gloss from BH Cosmetics. It's actually it's my Ray line that just came out. So yeah. I'm only taking a little bit because I'm gonna mix in another lipstick with this. So I'm gonna go in with this lip gloss from Wet n Wild. It's called Brilliance à la Race. If I said that right, I hope I did, but this is how it looks. And I'm just gonna go in to lighten up the middle portion of my lips so I can get like that shimmer that I want. And lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with just a gloss on top. This is from the LA Colors Lip Gloss Moisture line. This is literally like $1 at the dollar store. So I love these. I always get like the clear lip gloss in them because I freaking love these. And then I just go ahead and spray my face one more time with the NYX Matte Finish setting spray. Okay guys, so that is it for my everyday makeup tutorial on, pretty much how I do my makeup on a daily basis. I know for some it might be a little bit long and you guys just want to cut it down. This is just my way of doing it. I put aside the time in the morning to do it, and to be honest guys, I get this done within like 15 minutes, okay? So it's something where as you continue to do it and as you practice, it kind of becomes like second nature to you. A really beat but yet simple everyday makeup look. So if you guys like this video, please go ahead and comment down below. Let me know which part of this video helped you, as well as what kind of products that you use to get your everyday makeup look. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and make sure I hit that bell button just so you get a notification whenever a new video is posted on the Broke But Beautiful YouTube channel. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly do appreciate you guys. I truly, appreciate all of the subscribers, all of the likes that I have been getting. The braids video has still been blowing up, okay? So I'm really glad that I was able to kind of show you guys something that was a little bit different, which reminds me, I'm gonna be having another braid tutorial possibly coming out, because you know the summertime is kicking in and your girl is not gonna be wearing weave like that all the time, okay? I'm just saying, okay? Another thing is, if you guys are interested in seeing the review on this hair that I have and who I got it from, please go ahead and look forward to the next video. But you know what, if you hit that bell button that's right there, you'll actually get the notification, okay, that video is coming up. So go ahead and do that for me, okay? Thank you guys so much. Love you guys.